established CT Technologies almost 30 years ago with the aim of providing independent and professional services in connection with the design and the construction of food processing plants and cold stores, especially in the Far East, in India and in Africa, where the ambient conditions are very challenging.
We are CT Technologies, providing turnkey solutions for temperature-controlled facilities in the food industry and other industries where strict hygiene and temperature conditions are required. With our extensive international experience and in-house specialists in design, logistics, engineering and planning across the globe, our company grew over the years stronger in meeting the needs of clients worldwide. Today, with our local team, we are able to implement the entire scope of works for turnkey projects, from initial design through supply, execution, commissioning, and after-sales support and service. Our product portfolio consists of sandwich panels, doors, windows, loading docks, steel structure, light fixtures, floor insulation, refrigeration, floor heating. Working with CT Technologies, you get high-quality solutions, effective communication and project management, value for money, long equipment life, unique knowledge in industry, tailored solutions, years of experience, and energy-efficient solutions.